Welcome back. After completing Linux introduction video, I welcome you all to the listen to Ubuntu installation. Learning objective: install Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu distribution. Ubuntu and its distribution are always free. Every 2 years an Ubuntu long-term support is released. All distribution of Ubuntu are sponsored by Canonical. For help, the technical support community is accessed. Ubuntu desktop installation. Minimum hardware requirement are 2 GHz dual core processor, 4 GB RAM, 25 GB hard drive, either a CD DVD drive or a USB port for installer media, and finally internet access. Ubuntu installation video guide. To learn how to install Ubuntu as a virtual machine or Ubuntu as dual bootable system, refer to these video from the card. Some information. The command uname is used to display the information regarding the OS distribution, release version, CPU architecture, and kernel. Few options and their description that you can use with uname. Option A: print the system information in a specific order. Option S: print the kernel name. Option N: print the host name. Option R: print the kernel version. Option V: print the current kernel version. The command lsb underscore release is used to display the installed Linux distributor ID, release version, and code name. Few options and their description that can be used with lsb release. Option A: print the OS distribution and releases information. Option D: display the description. Option C: display the code. The command IP is used to display the IP related details of the system. The different information displayed includes interface name, IP address, network mask, and MAC address. The command lspci is used to display the machine hardware information based on the PCI architecture. The information includes PCI bridge, VGA controller, Ethernet controller, USB controller, audio device, and IDE interface. The command lsusb is used to display the information of various USB devices connected to the system. Some takeaways from this chapter. Ubuntu distributions are sponsored by the company Canonical. Minimum 4 GB of RAM is required to install Ubuntu in a system. Ubuntu can be installed either by booting from a DVD drive or USB. Now it's time for the fun part where we have few knowledge check questions. We request you to answer them in the comment section. To check are your answers correct, go to our Instagram page and look for the highlight Linux for Beginners course. You will find all the answers chapter wise. Now question number 1. Which of the following is the recommended hard drive space required to install Ubuntu? Option A: 1 GB. Option B: 5 GB. Option C: 25 GB. Or option D: 100 GB. Write down your answer in the comment section. Question number 2. Ubuntu is a version or distribution of which of the following operating system? A. Linux. B. Windows. C. Android. Or D. DOS. Question number 3. Which of the following is a file type of Ubuntu download package? Option A: zip. Option B: jar. Option C: ISO. Or option D: tar. That's all in this video. If you enjoyed installing Ubuntu on your system, make sure you give a like to this video and share with your friends who are still using Windows operating system. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.